The chief guest of this function, former Professor and Emeritus Fellow, Dr. Ranjana Roy. Guest of honor, I think that guest of honor has not turned up yet. Our special guest, Professor Dr. M. Nehal, former Director of the Institute of Gerontology and Geriatrics, Bihar. Renowned advocate, Sudhir Kumar Behera from Odisha. Our honorable guest, Deputy Secretary, Mr. Surojit Datta, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Mr. Oshini Kopila, Managing Director, Business Development and Partnership of GetSet Incorporation, former Rajiv Gandhi Chair Professor Dr. Shurmila Banerjee, Faculty of Economics and also a life member of our organization, Chief Functionaries of Aged Care Institution, NGO activists, Senior Citizens Association, students, media personnel, ladies and gentlemen. I am greatly privileged to welcome you all this morning in this regional seminar of CMIG as Regional Resource and Training Center on Aging, organized by and under the auspices of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. Population aging is common all over the world, and India is no exception. At present, according to Aging Report UNFPA 2023, we have 15 crore senior citizens in our country at present, and the future projection shows that the number will reach 35 crores in the year 2050. The major concern of the 21st century is its impact on society. Mapping the burden of healthcare, both physical and mental, intergenerational solidarity, living arrangement, legal matters, social security system, geriatric care, combating tools in hands are some of the issues that this seminar is going to address. Within the backdrop of digital and quantum revolution, this seminar will also focus on technology uptake and its penetrability through the multiple socioeconomic strata and to assist and empower the senior citizens. I am honored as the chief functionary of this organization to offer my greetings to all the renowned personalities on the dais, and I am Ranjana Roy, the guest of honor, Professor M. Nehal, Advocate Sudhir Kumar Behera, and Mr. Surojit Datta are with us today. That they have taken interest in our kind of activities and have very kindly agreed to give their valuable addresses on this occasion. I extend very, very special welcome to you all, sir and madam, individually to each of you. I am glad that large number of senior citizens representing various aged care institutions have come here to take part in the conference. I welcome all of them. I am also happy that all our governing body members, staff members, resource persons, master trainers, scholars of different universities, students of CMIG, 3-month students, postgraduate students, and our NGO colleagues from Bihar and West Bengal, media personnel have joined here. I welcome all of them. Finally, I believe that the opinions and comments of this August gathering throughout the day and tomorrow will surely enhance our knowledge base about the elderly issues of our country. With these words, let me welcome you all once again.